So here I have my iMac and my iPad Air. On the iMac, click right here, go to screen mirroring, and then iPad, use as extended display. So currently I have the iPad below the computer, but on here it automatically goes to when I move the cursor over to the left, then it goes over here. So I'm going to go to this search, I'm going to search display, click arrange, and I can move the iPad below the iMac. It done. So now when I move it down, it goes right onto the iPad. I'm going to go ahead and open up Final Cut. It opens up Final Cut down here. I can move it up to the screen. Now I can go to Window, show a secondary display, and then I'm able to move the things around. Here's the display down here on the iPad. Gives me a lot more room up here. You can have just the timeline down here. I'll remove the effects button. So it really just helps out when you're editing to have a lot more space. And then you go to Window, and then click on the same one that you already have, so timeline, and then it brings it back to normal. But this just really helps out when video editing to have the things separated.